Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, the Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. So today's my lecture is Introduction to Lift Irrigation. So what is the lift irrigation? Traditionally, we are using the irrigation methods like surface irrigation, in which flood irrigation, check basin irrigation, furrow irrigation. These irrigation methods we are using, and all these traditional methods are age-old methods. But the lift irrigation, this method of irrigation, is comparatively newer form of the irrigation. So we will see the lift irrigation. Though irrigation is an age-old science, the discovery and evolution of lift irrigation is recent as compared to many other life-changing discoveries by the human beings. Lift irrigation is being used so commonly in our lives. In Maharashtra, lift irrigation was introduced after 1960s, and in today's scenario, the Maharashtra is leading state which uses the lift irrigation dominantly. Irrigation is a systematic way of providing water to crop in stipulated amount at regular predetermined time intervals. Irrigation is essential to grow crops, vegetables, maintaining the landscapes, etc. throughout the year. Irrigation is must, especially in dry areas with less average rainfall. It would not be exaggeration if one says irrigation is the life of agriculture in any country. That is, the agriculture cannot be completed without the irrigation. Areas which are topographically located below the water level, the irrigation can be driven by the force of gravity itself. Such gravity-based irrigation is less labor-intensive and financially lean as well. As the water sources are located above the farm, the water can be conveyed to the farm by gravity irrigation, and hence this irrigation is comparatively less labor-intensive. But the lands or farms which are above the water level or above the water source, the irrigation water cannot be conveyed to the farm by gravity. So it would require to lift the water from that water source. If a region is located above the water level, then carrying water to that region by the force of gravity is not possible. So, lift irrigation is only the way of getting such regions under the irrigation. In lift irrigation, water from the nearby source is lifted using pumps and then distributed to the crops. This method of lifting water using pumping installations and then supplying it to the land is called as lift irrigation. In lift irrigation projects, the water is lifted directly from rivers or streams or from suitable points at different segments of a canal system. River lift irrigation systems are feasible in regions where the stream flow is adequate during the peak period of irrigation demand by the crops, and where the electricity or diesel is available at the reasonable cost. Whereas the canal lift irrigation schemes are beneficial in many areas where sizable land area adjoining the canal but lying at higher elevations cannot be irrigated through the gravity flow from canal. Hence, such areas can be brought under irrigation by the lift irrigation. In this diagram, we can see a lift irrigation scheme. Here is an water source. The pumps are installed here, and The farms are located at this higher elevation. So water cannot be conveyed to the farm by the gravity. Hence, here we have installed the pump house. Here is a pumping station and intake wells, then different types of alls, and this water is conveyed to the and storage structure. And from that storage structure, the lifted water is distributed by the gravity flow. Lift irrigation is a mode of irrigation which involves transporting water against the gravity with the help of pumps or surge pools and transported to the location where it is to be used. As mentioned earlier, the lift irrigation is comparatively newer form of irrigation and it has been introduced in Maharashtra state after 1960s. Since lift irrigation can adopted at locations which are topographically disadvantaged, then government has been aggressively promoting lift irrigation through the various schemes. This has enabled farmers to use water from the nearby rivers and streams throughout the year for farming. Here we can see the basic difference between gravity based irrigation, that is our traditional irrigation, and the lift irrigation. Here in the gravity based irrigation, the water source is located above the farm. Here this is land 1, land 2, land 3. That is, these are the different types of different lands in which we have taken the crops, and these lands, these farms are located below the water source. Hence water can be distributed to this land by the gravity flow. But in the lift irrigation, the water source is located below the lands. Here are the lands and here is the water source which is located below the land. Hence the water cannot be conveyed to this land by gravity flow. Hence in lift irrigation, the water is lifted by the pump and the lifted water is conveyed or stored to an storage structure or storage chamber, and from the storage chamber then the water is distributed to different lands or different farms by the gravity based flow. Then the constructions of dams and canals is beneficial only to the locations which falls below the water level. For the regions which are above the water level, the lift irrigation has acted as boon. In lift irrigation, water is carried from a lower level to higher level using pumps or other pumping mechanisms. Thank you. To get more videos related to agriculture, irrigation and agricultural engineering, follow the Agroneer channel. Thank you.